A chat can change a life. Now you can change thousands together by increasing your communicating power with your beneficiaries through WhatsApp. Watch how.
How do you ensure women and manpower isn't a hindrance in providing the right support? Once you set up your automated conversation flows, most of the conversations can be handled via the bot. As you can see on the right, a lot of the conversations are happening automatically. How do you reach a large number of your beneficiaries when they rely on you for vital information? Go to the collection screen, identify the collection you want to send the message to, send either a single message, HSM template, or start a flow for all the contacts in that collection. Now if you head over to chats, see that the message was sent to all the contacts at once, provided that the session window is still active for them. How do you make sure all the regions with various languages are covered? Glyphic enables you to chat with your beneficiaries in the language they prefer. You can prepare the flows in various languages. People can also change the language at any time they want. How do you analyze the impact of your conversations? You can monitor how your program is running. One way is to add relevant labels to incoming messages. If your BigQuery and Data Studio accounts are linked with Glyphic, you can generate customized visual reports based on the conversations, along with various other engagement parameters. How to test your flows before publishing it for beneficiaries? You can access the simulator from Flows or the main chat screen. Click on the preview button here. This opens a mobile interface that acts as a proxy for your beneficiary. You can test the flows by sending messages from the simulator. This way, before publishing it, you can experience how the beneficiaries will consume the flow. How do you reduce effort while sending the same message over and over? You can access the saved message from the chat screen. Then if you want to manually send a message to many contacts, you can simply select and send. This takes away your effort of typing the message each time you send. How do you make sure all the conversations are accounted for? Once your team creates their account on Glyphic, they will start showing here. You can then give them relevant access. For staff access, you can also mark whether they can chat with all the contacts or only the ones from their collection. You can refer to the access level control here. Then, you can also assign the staff member to a collection.
Now your organization has the ability to scale your conversational reach and significantly increase your program impact with Glyphic.